Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is my Necchi 534 FB sewing machine. I don't know a darn thing about sewing machine, but I'm going to give you a quick demonstration to show you that it works. I have the main unit, the cover, and a little tiny accessories box here, as well as the original manual. There's not much in the accessories box, just your standard stuff. There's a couple of needles in there I see. The bottom of the case has a crack in it, but it's very solid. But here we go. You can see, like, by pressing the variable speed pedal, that it will slow down. And when you press it, it goes really quick. It's got the nice little handle here up top. And it's in good shape. And that's all I got, YouTube. Next time, peace out. See you later.